fans are moving towards the center of the court, mobbing the players. And let's hope that they don't strip them of their clothes or of their shoes.
Di ba naalala mo si Dennis Rodman sabi dati, he wants to play his very last game naked in his birthday suit. Huwag naman dito. Huwag naman dito. Magiging SPG yung PG natin dyan sa bottom right.
Yan naman po si Dennis Rodman ang pinagkakuluhan ng mga fans dito. Kasi this is such a nice celebration of the game dito sa ating bansa because we are so passionate about the game na mahal natin ang laro ng basketball. And what better way to celebrate it than with our PBA legends on the same floor as some of the greatest stars ng NBA.
Yan po ang special presentation ng Sports 5 mula dito sa loob ng MOA Arena. So much to take away from tonight, Nadine.
Oh, it's a very emotional moment. I thought that we also had some nice flashes of brilliance, moments of brilliance that we will remember forever.
So sa ngalan ng lahat ng bumubo ng ating production team, sa pangunguna siyempre, producer natin Nick Earnshaw, Alder Almo, director natin Randy Lamano, nandito rin si Juvenil, siyempre sa pangunguna ni Tita Bobot Abuan. Lumar John kasama si Dagin Quinito Edson and Jessica Mendoza. Nagpapasalamat sa inyong panonood till we see each other again.